As of 2025, video doorbells have become essential for home security, blending convenience with smart technology. Among the top sellers on Amazon, 5 models stand out based on sales rankings, customer reviews, and feature popularity: the Blink Video Doorbell, Ring Battery Doorbell Pro, UFI Security, Video Doorbell E340, Arlo Video Doorbell 2K, and TP-Link Topo D225. These devices offer a range of features like HD video, motion detection, and two-way audio, catering to different needs. This review evaluates each based on video quality, smart home integration, battery life, storage options, and overall value, highlighting pros and cons to help you choose the best fit for your home. Be sure to check the affiliate links in the comments below for more details and purchasing options. Now, let's dive into the review. First up is the Blink Video Doorbell, priced at $59.99 with Sync Module 2, often bundled around $100. Pros: affordable entry point. One of the cheapest options with solid features, making it accessible for budget-conscious buyers. The bundle includes a sync module for local storage. Long battery life. Up to 2 years on AA batteries, reducing maintenance compared to rechargeable models. Easy setup. Wireless design with simple installation via the Blink Home app, ideal for renters or DIY enthusiasts. Head-to-toe view, 1080p HD video with a wide field of view, captures visitors and packages effectively. Alexa integration, works seamlessly with Amazon Echo devices for voice control and live viewing. Cons: subscription for full features. Requires a Blink subscription, $3 a month, for cloud storage and advanced motion detection, adding to the cost. No color night vision, lacks color in low light conditions, limiting detail compared to competitors. Basic audio. Two-way audio can be tinny, especially in windy conditions. Limited smart features, fewer integrations, Alexa only, compared to multi-platform rivals. Summary: the Blink Video Doorbell is a budget-friendly choice for basic security, perfect for Alexa users, but its reliance on subscriptions and basic night vision may disappoint those seeking premium features. Next up is the Ring Battery Doorbell Pro, priced at $229.99. Pros: superior video quality, 1536p HD plus resolution with color night vision and a 150 degree by 150 degree field of view, offering clear head-to-toe visuals. Advanced motion detection, 3D motion sensing, and bird's eye view. Track movement paths, reducing false alerts. Robust integration, works with Alexa for voice commands and Ring's Neighbors app for community alerts. Customizable options, battery or hardwired installation with optional ring chime for enhanced audio. Weather resistance, durable design suits various climates. Cons: subscription cost, Ring Protect plan, $10 a month, is needed for video recording and advanced features, increasing long-term expense. Alexa dependency, limited compatibility with Google Home or Apple HomeKit, restricting smart home flexibility. Installation complexity, hardwiring requires some electrical know-how, though battery option simplifies it. Privacy concerns, past data sharing issues with law enforcement may deter some users. Summary: the Ring Battery Doorbell Pro excels in video and motion tech for Alexa ecosystems, but its subscription model and privacy history are notable drawbacks. Now let's look at the UFI Security Video Doorbell E340, price at around $179.99. Pros: dual camera system, 2K top camera for visitors and 3K bottom camera for packages, with free local storage via Homebase 3. No subscription needed, offers 16 GB onboard storage, expandable, avoiding recurring fees. Color night vision, built-in spotlight ensures clear visuals in dark conditions. Smart detection, AI-powered person and package detection with accurate alerts. Easy installation, wireless or wired options with a quick-release battery. Cons: higher upfront cost, more expensive than some competitors for initial purchase. Bulkier design, larger size may not suit all door frames aesthetically. Limited app features, UFI Security app lacks the polish of Ring or Arlo interfaces. Setup. Complexity, home-based setup can be tricky for first-time users. Summary: the UFI E340 is a premium choice for those avoiding subscriptions, with top-notch dual-camera features, though its bulk and setup may pose challenges. Up next is the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K, priced at $129.99. Pros: high-resolution video, 2K HDR with a 180° diagonal view, capturing detailed footage day or night. Flexible power options, battery or wired installation with compatibility for existing chimes. Advanced detection, customizable motion zones and object detection, people, packages, vehicles, with Arlo's secure subscription. Multi-platform support, Works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit for broad smart home use. Easy setup, quick app-guided installation with reliable performance. Cons: subscription for recording. Arlo Secure $7.99 month is required for cloud storage, though local storage is an option with a hub. Battery life: around 4 to 6 months shorter than some rivals, requiring frequent recharges. No color night vision. Relies on black and white IR, less vivid than competitors. App lag: occasional delays in live feed loading reported by users. Summary: the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K offers versatile integration and video quality, but its battery life and subscription needs may offset its value. Last but not least is the TP-Link Tapo D225, priced at $119.99. Pros: sharp video 2K resolution with a 180 head-to-toe view, enhanced by color night vision. Flexible storage, supports micro SD card, up to 512 GB, or cloud storage, $2.99 month, offering cost control. Easy installation, wireless with 8-month battery life or wired option, plus a chime included. Smart home: ready, compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT for broad integration. Affordable price, competitive pricing for its feature set. Cons: motion detection limits. Less precise than Arlo or Ring with occasional false alerts. Build quality: plastic construction feels less premium than Eufy or Ring. App experience: Tapo app is functional but lacks advanced customization. No package guard, lacks dedicated package detection like Eufy's dual camera system. Summary: the TP-Link Tapo D225 delivers solid value with flexible storage and installation, though its motion detection and build quality lag behind top-tier models. Choosing the best video doorbell depends on your priorities. The Blink Video Doorbell is ideal for budget buyers with Alexa, offering long battery life but limited night vision. The Ring Battery Doorbell Pro shines with advanced video and motion features for Alexa users, though subscriptions and privacy concerns are hurdles. The UEFI Security Video Doorbell E340 stands out for no subscription storage and dual cameras, despite its bulk. The Arlo Video Doorbell 2K provides multi-platform flexibility and high resolution, but battery life and cost are drawbacks. Lastly, the TP-Link Tapo D225 offers a balanced, affordable option with good storage choices, though it lacks precision and detection. All are available on Amazon with varying warranties. Check reviews for the latest user experiences and consider your smart home setup before deciding. Thank you for watching. Be sure to visit the affiliate links in the comments below for more details and information.